Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Melrose Hill bypass. Now this road is being upgraded to a dual carriageway. There you can see the concrete barricade and 2 lanes on either side. And this road is in Manchester. It actually takes you from Porus to Williamsfield. But Highway 2000 is also going to Mandeville. And so when Highway 2000 comes over the hill, it's going to be incorporated into the Melrose Hill bypass. So basically you can use the Melrose Hill bypass as a part of the highway, but you don't have to pay toll to use it. So you can go from Porus to Williamsfield on this road and Williamsfield to Porus on this road without having to pay toll. Now when you exit off the Melrose Hill bypass and get back onto Highway 2000, then you'll walk up the toll plazas. But this section, there is no toll. So Highway 2000, it's a road to go from Kingston to Montego Bay, but they're building it out in sections. So Kingston to Maypen is finished, up and running, and then Maypen to Mandeville is being built, and that is where this section of the highway comes in, between the Maypen and the Mandeville section, or more specifically from the Maypen roundabout to Williamsfield, and the Melrose Hill bypass will take you into Williamsfield. So this road was upgraded. It's a very nice road now, 4-lane dual carriageway, and we're giving you an update on how far they've reached with it. Now this project is over 90% complete, and the entire section of the highway from Maypen to Williamsfield will be opened in August 2023, which is about 9 weeks from now. So by all indications, they will meet the August deadline. So we're just giving you an update on how far they've reached with this road. Now, the name of this road should remain the Melrose Hill bypass. It's not going to be changed to Highway 2000. I mean, that was what it was said at the beginning. I haven't heard anything to say otherwise, but you know, changes can always be made. But as far as I know, this road will remain the Melrose Hill bypass. Guys, you can leave your comments in the section below if that has changed. And also let us know what you think about this road. Very nice road. So when the highway is finished, you can get from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. You can get from Maypen to Mandeville in 15 minutes. Definitely a game changer for this side of the island. And remember, this highway is to go all the way to Montego Bay. So can you imagine driving on a road like this from Kingston to Montego Bay? It would take 1 hour and 45 minutes. However, at the pace they're building out these highways, it probably is going to take another 10 years before the road is finished. But nonetheless, as one section finishes, they open it up to the public. Alright, so that's where the current construction ends. Now they say the highway is going to enter Williamsfield in the vicinity of the old steel factory. But this is the Williamsfield roundabout straight ahead. Or is it this? assuming that this is the route the highway will take into Williamsfield. Maybe they meant the steel bridge that we just passed. Guys, if anybody knows where this highway is going to end in Williamsfield, let us know. But based on the alignment we just drove on, I think it's going to end somewhere by the roundabout. Alright, so this is now the Mandeville Bypass, or the Winston Jones Highway. Now, they announced the alignment for another section of the highway, which will be from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And they said they're going to build a bypass for Mandeville, and this is the Mandeville Bypass. I don't know if they're just going to upgrade it like what they did to the Melrose Hill Bypass, because there's plenty of space to upgrade this road. But we'll keep you guys updated as we get more information. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.